CPS, and police came to his door, but he wasn't the one unprepared. They showed up to take his child, but forgot one thing.
This is Family Services.
What is this about?
If you could please come to the door.
I'd rather just talk to you over the intercom.
Sir, this is the sheriff's office. We need you to come to the door and speak to you, please.
Do you have a warrant?
No, there's no warrant, but we'd like to speak to you.
Well, this is harassment, because I wouldn't like to speak to you. Can I understand the reason for your presence at my home?
You'd like to check on your daughter?
You want to make checks on my daughter?
We'd like to check on her, yes.
Which one?
Your baby, Roxana?
What gives you the right to come to my home and harass me about my child? What makes you feel as though you are entitled to come to my home under color of law, armed to the teeth, ask to see my child? What gives you that right? I want to inform you that you are violating my constitutional rights by being here. This is harassment, and I will prosecute. I will, to the fullest extent that I can. I've already talked to Emily's mother. She, I believe, spoke to you, and she forwarded your information to me. And there's a defamation suit coming. I don't know who has been filing these charges, but a lot of false charges have been coming down. I believe it's Amanda McIntosh now. She also filed an assault charge that was null prost for lack of evidence. And there's a long history back there. I don't think you've searched that. So what is your business being here, and why are you here?
As I said, I would like to speak with you, and I would like to check on your daughter.
I'm speaking to you now.
I would like to speak with you in person.
I would like to have a record of it and speak to you through my camera.
I have my body cam after, sir. We're recording it.
I don't trust the law, and I don't trust the officers of the law. You have proven to be not on my side. So I have my own cameras, and I will record it from where I'm safe behind my home. If you would like to break into my home, then feel free to do so.
Okay, we're not going to do that. You're going to have a
I have cameras throughout my home and my property. This is harassment, and it will go to my lawyer, and there will be other steps that are taken after this.
Mr. Thursby, are you saying that you will not bring your daughter to the door?
I'm saying you have no right to be on my property. You have brought law enforcement onto my property. You don't have a warrant. This is an illegal. You're coming here to create trouble for me. You think I will bring my child out to you for scrutiny? I know my rights, ma'am. So if you'd like to obtain a warrant and come back here and arrest me for some crime that you suspect me of, I would be happy to go that route with you. But I don't trust you, and I don't trust that law enforcement that has badges and guns to do the right thing. You're on my property illegally, by the way, and I wish you off of it. Under color of law, you're coming here to harass me and my family because of a complaint of a person that has been known to harass me and create false and fictitious charges and criminal mischief against me and use and weaponize law enforcement. I mean, this is taxpayer dollars. Your agency, the other agency, this is government abuse by a CIA agent. She's going to be in trouble for this too. And so will all of you. I promise. There is a reckoning. It's going to come. It's going to be law. It's going to be all legal. It's all going to be legitimate. That's the only reckoning I'm talking about. Law and legal. Good afternoon, Kelly, or good evening, Kelly Hendricks.
I'm Miss Mancini. I'm here. I have 2 court orders for removal for Melanie and Roxana. If you would please come to the door so I can give you your orders.
There's a removal order?
Yes, I have 2 signed removal orders, which I will do when you come to the front door, stating that
No way! You have an order to remove my children from my home?
Yes, I
do. Can I have my lawyer speak with you, please?
No, I'm not able to speak with your lawyer right
No,
now.
I'm
Mr. Anthony, I cannot speak with your lawyer.
Hello, legal or signed by a magistrate?
You could come to the door so I can speak with you. I've emailed you the 2 removals.
No, I've texted you and I've called you, and you said you were going to come last night and you didn't. You haven't responded back to me. As a matter of fact, you're misrepresenting it, and I have civil rights attorneys right now that are going to contact you.
Okay, Mr. Anthony, you can send a copy of the 2 removals. They're in your email.
My lawyer is calling me right now. Hold on a second. Hello, my lawyer's trying to call you right now. Can you please answer his call? My lawyer has been trying to call you right now, and do you have a lawful order from a magistrate?
Can you please open the
Listen,
door?
you're a very shady person, and I'm going to have you in prison for violating my rights if that's what you're doing here. Do you have a lawful order from a magistrate? Because if you did, you could have busted down my door already, and I'm not inclined to open the door to you. I will sue you to the fullest extent of the law. I want you to know that.
That's fine, Mr. Yassini. Can you open the door?
No, I can't. Can you show me the order?
Yes. If you would check your email, those orders have been sent to you.
Which email? Which email?
The one that is with the school.
Which email?
FarzanYassini@fastdesk.com.
Hello, you sent the removal orders 3 minutes ago. I just forwarded them to my lawyer. There hasn't been a hearing, so you can't take my children right now. I will not open the door to you. We're going to follow this up with suit against you and family services. This is an illegal tactic and a deep violation of my civil rights. I already have the video evidence that I needed, and I was already seeking civil rights litigation. This is just going to be another one on top of it. There has not been a hearing. There is no removal order. This is something that you have submitted to the court, and you just sent it to me 3 minutes ago. I have the timestamp on when you sent it to me, and you sent it to my work email, not the email I have on file with the school, which is my Gmail. You're a liar. It's obvious from your demeanor. It's obvious from your demeanor that you are ill-intended also. You're shifty. You're shady. You're self-soothing with your hand, and I don't trust you. I will not open the door. You're free to break down the door and break and enter my property, and what happens after that will just be what happens after that. Feel free to do so. You're not answering my lawyer. You said you were going to stop by yesterday. You're a liar. You said that you would submit a Freedom of Information Act request telling me what's going on right now. Instead, you show up with these false orders. And there's going to be a deeper investigation going on. Believe me, your problem is that I have the money to fight this. Your problem is that I have the civil rights attorneys to bring you to justice. You're corrupt as Get off my property. You're trespassing on my property. Get off my property right now. Get off my property right now. You evil human being. You violent evil.
Do you think he
human
handled
being.
this the right way? Or did he go
I'm gonna
too
sue all
far?
of you and Loudoun County. You
Let
will
me know
see
in the
it.
comments and subscribe for
I
more
will sue all
real
of you
cases
officers, every
like
single one of
this.
you.